There are several reasons lawyers might want to look for financial information about a company. Perhaps it's to get a better understanding of a client's business to provide better service. Maybe it's to learn about the other side in due diligence in an M&A deal, or in the discovery phase of a lawsuit. Or it might be for business development purposes, because prospective clients look for lawyers who understand their business as well as their legal needs. This section focuses on public companies. Finding financial information on private companies is harder, but in the next section we suggest a few places to look for that. The annual report for U.S. public companies is filed on Form 10-K, and several sections provide particularly useful information. The first is the company's audited financial statements, which are accompanied by the report of the accounting firm that reviewed the financials. The report provides the firm's opinion on the reliability of the financial statements. The Management Discussion and Analysis, or MD&A, is where management discusses the company's recent results and, to a limited extent, its future prospects. And the notes to the financial statements provide supplemental information that would create clutter if it was included in the statements themselves. The letter to shareholders is also helpful, as it provides information on new product lines, highlights achievements and awards, and gives the company's outlook for the future. In addition to showing the annual report, the investor page on a company's website will usually provide some of the company's other SEC filings. The filings that provide the most helpful financial information are the Form 10-K annual report, which contains the annual report to shareholders we just described, as well as additional disclosures that aren't required in the annual report itself. The Form 10-Q quarterly report, which includes a company's quarterly, unaudited financial statements, and sometimes contains copies of agreements which may have substantial financial impact, like executive employment agreements and line of credit agreements. And the Form 8-K current report, which must be filed soon after certain material events happen, such as financial impairments or entering into material agreements. The 10-K can be a very long document, so you might want to focus on Item 1, Company Operations, Item 1A, Risk Factors, Item 3, Legal Proceedings, Item 6, Selected Financial Data, and Item 7, MD&A. For U.S. public companies, the SEC's website includes filings that might not be found on company websites. You can search these filings using EDGAR, which is the SEC's electronic data gathering, analysis, and retrieval system. These filings, such as registration statements and prospectuses for public offerings, often include important financial information. There are also several fee-based services, like IntelliGize, that allow you to do sophisticated searches and analyses of SEC filings and can be more user-friendly than the EDGAR system. Finance professionals have access to premium information services like Bloomberg, Thomson Reuters, and Capital IQ. If you don't have access to any of these, financial websites such as Reuters, Bloomberg, Google Finance, and Yahoo Finance provide an excellent substitute for non-finance experts. They include comparative trading information on companies and independent news and analysis. Most sites also let you set up news alerts on your clients and prospective clients. Websites like Morningstar, FactSet, and Capital IQ provide similar information to other financial websites, but with the addition of equity research reports, which can give a very useful perspective from industry experts. A subscription is usually required for these sites. When you're looking at a company's business, it's a good idea to think about it in the context of the company's industry and how the company compares to its competitors. Sources like IBIS World are very helpful in understanding the dynamics of the industry, the key players, and the industry's overall prospects.